Flying. Snake. Flying snake? Flying snake. It doesn't truly fly. It flattens its body and glides between trees. Rat. Snake. Rat snake? Rat snake. Rat snakes are constrictors named for one of their favorite foods, rodents. Cat. Snake. Cat snake? Cat snake. Their large eyes and vertical pupils can look surprisingly cat-like. Wolf. Snake. Wolf snake? Wolf snake. Wolf snakes got their name from enlarged front teeth resembling canine teeth. Tiger. Snake. Tiger snake? Tiger snake. Tiger snakes are Australian venomous snakes whose colors and patterns vary enormously. Fox. Snake. Fox snake? Fox snake. Its defensive musk is said to smell like a red fox. That may explain the name. Parrot. Snake. Parrot snake? Parrot snake. Parrot snakes are slender, fast tree climbers found in the American tropics. Rainbow. Snake. Rainbow snake? Rainbow snake. Rainbow snakes are highly aquatic and surprisingly specialize in eating freshwater eels. Sunbeam. Snake. Sunbeam snake? Sunbeam snake. Its dark scales explode with rainbow colors when sunlight hits them. Egg-eating. Snake. Egg-eating snake? Egg-eating snake. These specialists swallow eggs whole and crack them inside their bodies. Elephant trunk. Snake. Elephant trunk snake? Elephant trunk snake. This unusual snake is aquatic and has remarkably loose, rough-textured skin. Hognose. Snake. Hognose snake? Hognose snake. When intimidation fails, some hognose snakes perform an amazingly dramatic fake death. Corn. Snake. Corn snake? Corn snake. Corn snakes are harmless constrictors that help control wild rodent populations. Rubber. Boa. Rubber boa? Rubber boa. This small, secretive boa is native to Western North America. Ball. Python. Ball python? Ball python. Female ball pythons coil around their eggs for roughly 2 months until they hatch. King. Cobra. King cobra? King cobra. At up to 5.7 meters, it is the world's longest venomous snake. Spitting. Cobra. Spitting cobra? Spitting cobra. They don't really spit. Mussels spray venom through openings in their fangs. Eyelash. Viper. Eyelash viper? Eyelash viper. Those eyelashes are actually enlarged scales sitting above each eye. Rhinoceros. Viper. Rhinoceros viper? Rhinoceros viper. Its rhinoceros-like horns are actually raised scales growing above its nose. Carpet. Python. Carpet python? Carpet python. Female carpet pythons coil around their eggs and can warm them by muscular shivering.